Let's design a football score intro animation. I'll go to upload, click on the stadium picture, set it as my background. I also go to upload, import the FIFA 2026 World Cup logo, align it to the center. I'll duplicate it, bring it down. I'll go to element, I'll click on rounded square, click on rounded square, reduce the size a little bit. It's already at the center. I'll bring this here because I want to use this to measure it. It's already at the center too. Okay, I'll click this, leave it here, leave this one, expand it a little, duplicate it, also bring it here. I'll change the color to yellow, change this one to yellow, and I'll take this out. I'll duplicate this one, also align it. I'll change the color to blue, duplicate it, so bring it here, duplicate again, change the color to red, bring it here, duplicate, so I'll duplicate again, change the color to green, I'll place it here, duplicate, place it here, duplicate again, change it to black, place it here, duplicate, place it here, duplicate again, change it to white, I'll duplicate again and put it here. I'll highlight all of them, I'll group it, make sure it's at the center. Okay, I'll ungroup, I'll bring it here, click, bring it to front, make sure it's at the center. Then now check the distance, I'll bring it down a little bit, and a little bit. I will duplicate, also take it up, I'll click on position, I'll go to layout, come down, I'll click on this first one, expand it to this place, change the corner to 54, I click on the second one, also draw it to here, also change the corner to 54, I will return it back, make sure it's at the center. Then let's check the distance from here to here is 98, so let's see, we'll go up a little bit to 98, if we make 98 it will be too, so let's just leave it at 60. So I'll come here, I'll draw this one down to 60. Okay, so now come down here, also duplicate this page, also take it out, I'll go back to position, go back to layout, go to blue, I'll expand it to this place, click on this one, I'll also expand it, also return my FIFA logo, send it up to 60, I'll duplicate, I'll also take it out, click here, return back to position, go to red, expand it, click on this one, also expand it, also return back my FIFA logo, also keep it to 60, I'll duplicate again, also take it out, click on the shape, go to green, expand it a little, go to this one, expand it a little bit, also return my FIFA logo, push it back to 60, duplicate again, the same, we'll just use the same method for all of them. Also return this, align it to center, then bring it down to 60. I will duplicate the page again. Also take the, now we're going for white, we'll not expand white like we did before, no, we'll expand it a little, expand it a little bit. Yeah, so let's check the distance. Okay, I'll bring this here, check is 40, I'll take it back to 60, align it to the center. Now before we continue, there's not something we need to do, we need to align these shapes to the middle so that it won't alter our design. So let me just align them to the middle. It won't alter what we are doing. This one is another. This one is not another. This is another. This is another. This is okay. This is okay. Okay. Now we have to go back to upload again. I'll bring Spen national team flag. I'll set the corner to 70. I'll reduce it to 70, but let's make it 54 too. I'll reduce the size. Look at it here. I'll do it a little bit. I'll bring Argentina. I'll reduce it to 54. 54. Expand it a little to be of the same size with this. Okay, they're the same size. Now what we need to do is to put it back here. Backward. Bring this one, put it here. Send it backward. We'll now duplicate this page. I'll go to position. I'll click on Spen logo. I'll bring it out here. Click on the Argentina's logo. I'll bring it out here. I'll highlight both of them and align both of them to the center. They are both aligned to the center. Now let's check the spacing. Let's move this back a little bit. That is 25. That is 40. So we'll shift it to 25. Now we'll press T for text. The short form for FIFA abbreviation for Spen is ESP. I'll change the color. I'll change the color to white. Go to font, make it poppins, make it bold, expand it a little bit. I'll bring it here. The font is too big. Let's make it something like 42. 42 is fine. I'll bring it here. I'll duplicate it. Spen is ARG for Spen. For Argentina, sorry. Now I'll send it backward. Okay, it's already backward. Let me also bring this one. Also send it back. It's already backward. Okay, no, sorry, it's on the front. This one is also on the front. Sorry, the text color matches with the background we're working with. So I'll duplicate the page. I'll go back to position, go back to layer, look for the text. This is for Spain. I'll bring it out here. I'll click Argentina. I'll bring it out here. I'll now align both texts to the center, to the middle. Now they are both well aligned. I'll click on T again for text. I'll press 1. I'll change the font to Poppins. I'll make it to be black. I'll change the color to black. Now this is where it should appear because Spen won Argentina by 1-0. So it should appear here. I'll duplicate. Change this to 0. Now let me align both of them first. I'll go to position middle. Now I'll take this black here. I'll click, go to layer, send to back. This one, I'll also bring it here. Go to layer. Oh, it's coming out a little. I'm seeing part of it. Go to layers, send it back. I'll duplicate this page. I'll go to position, click on 1. I'll bring it here. Click on 0. I'll bring it here. Click on this shape to align it to the center. Make it to be on the middle. Click on this one. Click on this shape. Make it to be at the center. Let's go to where the whole magics are done. I'll click on pages. Click here to bring me to page 1. Come here for transition. To add transition, I'll click match and move. Reduce the time to 0.3. 0.3. I'll come here. Sorry. I will apply it to all pages. I will now come here. Reduce time here to 0.3. Apply it to all pages. Now let's review what we have done. And that's our final design.